So we've got the 285 hooked up to the 4590 baler, and we're actually replacing some of the pickup teeth down here on the front of the pickup. I'll take you around and show you what I pulled off here. We've done about 1,000 bales through this so far this spring. Getting ready to go out and do a bunch more, so we thought we'd better get these teeth repaired on here. This is what we pulled off right here, these broken ones. You can see there's only one side to them. And they're supposed to have two sides to them, like this. So we get to crawl under here and put those back on. They're set up on every other band, so we only have to pull off every other band to get to them. And there's the bands we've got pulled off right there. So we'll get these teeth mounted up there. There was 9 of them all together. Get them mounted up on there, and then we'll get the bands back on, and we should be ready to bale. Hopefully here in a couple nights the hay will be ready.